Hello guys. Today I will do a special episode. I received an email today morning, so I would like to share this email with you. Okay, so PayPal scam me username send me an email today uh, asking me that people are saying that my squeeze has failed because uh, it gapped down. Like this guy, Midnight Run 911 says that everything planned is to. He said it would squeeze higher, but we gap down. So yeah, we did gap down, but my strategy does not involve trading gaps and trading. I do trade gaps, but the people who talk like this are the people who trade support and resistance. I want to show you with an example what actually happened. But first read this that he's saying that definitely tricky zone. His trading zone has been accurate. He traded where stop should be. I ended up barely in profit on the day. Everything is planned waste too. He said we would squeeze higher, but we gapped down and squeezed to dead even, then gapped down after the close. Basically, he's talking about yesterday's close. So he's not 100% either by any means tough market to trade. So uh, before anything, I would like to show you that my what I try to do is I try to trade my bias. So it doesn't have affect me if the market gaps down or not. And I would like to show you with an example. Okay, so uh, I've drawn this NQ structure which I trade. Now, yesterday what happened? That we gapped down over here, I think. But uh, if let's discuss this area from the eyes of a support and resistance guy. So basically, what was actually happening? He went long, he ended up in a loss. He went short, he ended up in a loss. He went short, he ended up in a loss. He went long, he ended up in a loss. He went short, he ended up in a loss. So yesterday it gapped down, it reversed. So basically, you can see what is happening with the support and resistances, guys. Uh, for sure, it is tough market to trade for them because market maker are they are collecting liquidity from the support and resistance guys. I, I I can assure you, I can be dead sure that when this happened, when this happened, the support and resistance guys, they would be jumping up and down, saying now the bulls are in control. Why? Because we are above the support. But if you trade my algorithm, or if you trade the way I trade, and you can verify it from my previous videos that I did, during last week. I clearly said 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, bigger third, and this is the fourth of bigger four. This was 1, this was 2, and this whole thing was 5. So if you were me, I would never jump up and down over here. In fact, when this happened, I took I would take profit and I would go cautious. I hope you understand what I'm trying to say. I don't jump up and down over here. Similarly, I would not jump up and down over here also, and I would show you why. Why? Because after the finish of 5 waves up, we will go down in correction. Like after 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 waves up, we will always go down in A, B, C correction. A, B, C. So what actually happened over here? That after 5 is up, we did A, B, C. Now again, the support and resistance guys, they would again say over here that bulls are in control, right? But myself or my algorithm would know that a C is coming. Why? Because after always 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, there will be a ABC correction, right? And in this gap down opportunity would be actually a buying opportunity for me. Instead of panicking, instead of going short. Now imagine the number of people who went short over here or here. I think most people went short over here because it broke the support. I'm damn sure. I'm 100% sure 99% people went short over here because it broke the support. But to my naked eye, I was looking at A, B, C, and I was looking to buy. And this analysis I'm doing without even the bias of my algorithm. This I'm doing just because my eyes have been trained to see the waves. My algorithm is saying that a squeeze is coming. So I'm only looking for buy. I'm after every 3 waves, I'm looking for buy. After every 3 waves, I'm looking for buy. This is a 3 waves, 1, 2, 3, ABC. I'm looking for buy. Now what happened over here? I think this became a complex B. This was a A. This became a B. And this went down in C. I'm again looking for buy. Now imagine those guys who shorted this area saying that it went below this, so short, or it went below this, so short it. Now imagine this pin bar. Now what is going to come next? This is going to come next, in my opinion. Why? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A, B, C. As long as this is intact, we are going up. And this analysis I am doing manually. I've got an advantage of using my algorithm also, and that's why I'm biased towards the long with careful risk management, of course. But this is super easy to see. So why would I short here? Why would I panic if it gapped down because of Tesla? I would look for this. Similarly, this is equal to this. And with this inside, it's a complex B. This is a B. This was the A. And now this was a C, which broke this bottom. Now we should go up again. If you look at SPX, it is uh, uh, let's go to 15 minutes SPX. Now look at SPX. I think this is a bullish structure. It is some sort of a bull flag for one more up. A, B, C. One more up. 3 waves. B, 3 waves. Impulse, correction, impulse. Now, if I would zoom out, what do we see in here? I think SPX 1 hour chart. I think this is the 1, this is a 2, this is a 3, and this whole thing is a running flat. Running flat is a corrective structure for one more up. The support and resistance guys or everybody else will draw like this or whatever. oh, the support is broken. Oh, this support is broken, or this support is broken, whatever. They will short this, but we will buy. You guys always ask me how my algorithm works. So I'm just telling you the manual working of my algorithm. And this is not the only piece of the puzzle of my algorithm. My algorithm does Fibonacci, pivots, and cycles. So as per cycle analysis also, we are bottoming. We are bottoming. We should expect one more up to take your stops. And once your stop will be taken, who shorted here, and once the support and resistance guys will long here, because it is above the support, we will go down. I know the world is a cruel place, but what can we do? Somebody has got to pay the bill. So these guys will pay. So I still think that the squeeze that I talked to you guys about, it's still coming. We will do one more up on SPX. On SPY, same structure. 417 is coming. 417 or 419 to break the stop. I think 419. After we break the stop, I think we will go down. But at least I think 417 is coming. 417 and 419. These two are the targets for the squeeze. And of course, the squeeze is not going to come in a single day, but you have to trade in the correct direction. If you would trade like this by drawing two lines across your screen, you would never trade in the correct direction. You will sometimes trade here, then trade here, then trade here, then trade here, then trade here. You have got no clue. And then you would say the market is tough. No, market is not tough. You just don't know the plan. And the plan is to take out the shorts stop of the early shorters. And then when you will long here, when you when you will long here, we will go down. Just when you will long here, we will go down. Gold, gold I think is doing the same. 1, 2, 3. The running flat for the fourth, and this fifth, it will create the euphoria and then down. That I yeah, and then down. We need a euphoric. We need a euphoria like this. If the price will fall straight away down from here, then everybody will become rich because everybody is short. But everybody should not become rich. Everybody should remain poor. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1 ABC. We will look for again this long. My algorithm is predicting a move up. The sentiment is still bullish, although it's weaker. But I don't think we are going to dump, but I could be wrong also. But let's see what will become of this. But I just showed you the working of the algorithm. And maybe I get proven wrong. But when I see 5 waves up and then correction in 3, this is the 3 waves. This is also 3. And this went down in quick 5. So this is 3, 3, 3, 3, 5 ABC structure. So I'm always looking for long, even manually. I'll see you tomorrow.